Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, then what I do is I do car things, car videos, car game videos, and install videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making the Soarer louder. And what I did was I got an Apex integration downpipe. And so far the lower sections come in. We're still waiting on the upper section. But we're going to go ahead and throw in the lower section. It'll be a decap. So let's get down to it with the tools you'll need. Alright, so the tools you'll need is two jack stands or a lift. I'm going to be doing it in the driveway. You'll need, of course, the downpipe. I'm bringing in a light. You'd use it to see. I'm going to use it so I can show you guys things. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet with a 14mm socket on it, and a 14mm wrench, and the jack. Let's get down to it. So the first step is to jack the car up and put it on jack stands. Went ahead and left the jack for extra security, and make sure on the back side you chock the back wheel, that way you don't roll into the street. So first step is going to be taking out the old one. That's going to be 4 bolts. I'll let you know if it's a different socket than the 12mm or the 14mm we already have. Okay, so what we have here is the new downpipe from Apex Integration. And then here's the stock downpipe with the cat. And it's all it takes is 4 17mm bolts and nuts. On the back there's a flange that has the EGT or exhaust gas temperature. And that is 2 10mm bolts, so you'll need to remove those as well. The downpipe, the Apex downpipe does not have an option for those. So what I've heard people do is they just tuck the EGT up into the floor. We'll get the pipe on, just reverse the same process, put the new pipe in, and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, so once you get the new downpipe in, make sure you tighten all your bolts. Leave them loose while you're trying to put both ends in. That way you just have better maneuverability. But once you get them in, make sure they're tight, and then you'll have to start up the car and check for any exhaust leaks. Shouldn't be any, but make sure you have your gaskets. So I'm going to start it up, and I'm going to set you guys up for the first start, and then I'll check the exhaust leaks. Now that I've checked for exhaust leaks, we had none, so now it's time to take it for a drive, and I'll insert that clip now. So that's going to do it for today, and the Apex integration lower section downpipe install. The upper section is still being made, and they'll ship it out to me eventually. And once that's there, then we'll go ahead and put that one on too. If you guys enjoyed this video, then make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button and let me know that you want to do more of these in the comments. All right, until the next one.